Welcome to Model 2 of the Learning by Competing training platform. Model 2 is entitled Line Tracking Robot, and it corresponds to the intermediate level in which you will develop a line tracking robot. A line tracking robot is one of the first robots where beginners can get their first robotic experience. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you in the learning process. It was the descriptions and illustrations of the electronic and mechanical materials needed, assembly and programming instructions, recommended software and hardware, and same maintenance consideration. You must preserve the robot and ensure that will follow all safety and hygiene instructions so that you can use the same robot model for the entire training course.
To assemble a line tracking robot, you will need a robot already built in Module 1, a micro USB cable and a computer laptop. Now that you have all the materials, it is time to move on to the microbit software. Call the tracking line sensor extension, line sensor. Select the sensor that will perform the detection, left or right. The sensor, locating at the bottom of the robot, detects whether it is above a black or white line. By reading the sensor, we expect the robot to inform us if it is walking on a black or white line. When choosing white, we are asking the robot to send us a positive signal if it is actually on top of a white line. To spindle right, the left follow line sensor must read white and the right one must read black. That means the line is on the right. In other words, if the left follow line sensor detects white and the right one detects black, the robot will spindle to the right. The coding line for a move to the right is the following. To spindle left, the left follow line sensor must read black and the right one must read white. That means the line is on the left. In other words, if the left follow line sensor reads black and the right one reads white, the robot spindles to the left. The coding line for a move to the left is the following. To go forward, the two tracking line sensors must show the white color, meaning that the robot is aligned with the line. In other words, if the left and right sensors read white, the robot goes forward. The coding line for a move to the front is the following. The global code is a combination of the right, left and forward commands. But please notice that if any of the commands is only partially given or inexistent, the robot will stop. Before inserting the code, please remember all the exercises performed during Module 1 in order to connect the robot to the microbit software correctly and safely. Insert the following code. After you have inserted the global code, the robot will perform a tour around the circuit, as the picture suggests.